All right, everybody, here's a quick video of the SIG P365 SAS. It's going to get a new little surprise I have in that box. Get a screwdriver. Inside the box, we have from Armory Craft a new grip. Billet aluminum, nicely stippled, and that is going to become this. What I really like about this grip is it's also got a little bit of an extended beaver tail to it, so it gives you a little bit more back here. Not as much as the XL will, but it gives you enough. But let's get started. Let's drop the magazine out. We are empty chamber. Got the slide lock back, so let's go ahead and rotate the takedown pin. And we should be able to drop the slide, pull it right off. So we'll just set that right here. Now we need to get this trigger group out of here and into here, and that should be pretty simple. We should be able to take this pin and push it through right out the other side, like that. And just take the whole trigger group and pull it up. Now let's set this aside. Take our trigger group, place it down inside the new chassis, push our pin back in. There we go, she's locked in. Now you want to make sure before we put the slide back on, this little lever right here, which is for a safety, if this weapon had a safety on it, if that thing's stuck up, the slide won't go all the way back. So it looks like we're in here, we're secure, we're ready to go. So we'll take our slide, put it back on. Our pin is, takedown lever should lock over. Now, if you notice here, there's a little tab right here that's blocking the slide release. That's okay, because even on the existing chassis, that slide release is still almost inaccessible. You just have to basically kind of rack the slide back. But let's go ahead and hold this back this way. And what I'll do is I'll take the screwdriver. There we go. And what that does is that releases our takedown lever. So here we go. Now we've converted over from the standard SIG hand grip, and we moved it over to the new Armory Craft. Slide our magazine back in, and yeah, there you go. Pretty simple. Hope everybody liked the video. I think it looks a whole lot nicer with that Barrett flat dark earth and a lot more stippling. Feels almost like 80 grit sandpaper. Need to probably have the bottom of my magazine Cerakoted. I'm not sure if I want to do that just yet, but that was easy. And if you order these from Armory Craft for the SIG P365 SAS, it already comes with the magazine release built into it, so you don't have to transfer your magazine release over, which is a big plus. And like I said, you can't really reach the magazine release with your fingers because it's just such a, it's the SIG SAS system, so it's a SIG anti-snag. If you notice, there's no sights on the top of it, but if you look straight down through here, and I don't know if the camera is going to pick that up, but there's a green dot sight right here, and I'm starting to get used to it. So yeah, there we go, folks. SIG P365 SAS grip mod upgrade. Thanks for watching.